Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Audi R8 with no bumper in Cpm2. First, make sure you are playing the correct game, Car Parking Multiplayer 2, and that your game is fully updated. Then, navigate to the main garage or vehicle customization menu from the game's home screen. This is where all your vehicle modifications begin. Once in the customization menu, select your Audi R8 from your collection. Next, you'll need to find the exterior body parts section. This area typically includes options for spoilers, side skirts, and bumpers. Carefully browse through the available categories to locate the specific modifications for your vehicle's front end. Within the front bumper options, you should see a choice to either select a different bumper or, crucially, a no bumper or remove option. Select this to take off the front bumper. After making your choice, ensure you apply the modification and then save your vehicle's new look. This step is vital to keep your changes. After saving, exit the garage and take your Audi R8 for a drive to confirm the bumper is gone. You can now enjoy your unique, customized vehicle. Remember, there are many other ways to personalize your cars in Cpm2, so feel free to experiment with different styles and modifications to make your R8 truly stand out.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.